up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I went to the mall, did some shopping, got my hair cut all the way off. I decided to do a dark brush cut this go around. So I'm finna bleach my hair. Y'all already know how I do. But I did get me some seafood. I'm trying to wait for my iPad to come on so I can use my iPad instead of my phone to film. Cause baby, it's finna get nice. I looked at her, she looked at me, she was like, ooh, I'm telling you. I was looking for this Blue Magic grease. Yeah. Found it. This is, my mama and my grandma used to put this on me when I was little, so. I had to get some of that. I had to get me some bleach. I got 2 things of bleach. Got some 30 developer. Got some toner for my blonde, because I want to do a real ashy blonde before. I went to the barbershop. Why she wash my hair and put me under the dryer? I said, oh, yes. I said, I'm going to have to come back for this, boo. $40 for this? Only $40 for this? I like that. I'll be back. But yeah, so I got me a dark brown, real dark brown lip liner because I can't use the black lip liner. I feel like that's goth. I got some Palmer's cocoa butter, just the little one that you put on your palm, you know. I got me some Lottie Body mousse for the curls and for my waves. I also got me a little tiny thing of Shimmer Light shampoo because this is so I got a little bottle because I want to go need it. Yeah. Okay, guys, so right now I am in the Uber. I am about to go get me a tattoo. And I was gonna go tomorrow, but I found a better deal, so I'm gonna go today. So I'm finna go. I'm excited. I'm kind of scared. I haven't had a tattoo in a while. And maybe the placement tattoo is what I'm a little worried about. So like, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna get back with you guys when I get to the tattoo shop. Okay, you guys, so I made it to the tattoo shop. And I'm scared. I don't know. I don't know why I'm nervous, but I'm nervous though. Wait, Takaya, tell us what you doing tonight? Nothing. Chilling. Influence. I don't know. No. Yeah. I should have came here yesterday on Juneteenth. But it was lit yesterday. Yesterday I was like, happy that it's the best day to be a nigga. Okay, y'all, so let me see. I don't think it's gonna be too big. So scared. A little bit smaller. On the hard. Let me see this. Right. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Okay, let's do the honey. Can you try to do it like my edge up? Yeah. Like on the line. Placement wise, yeah. Yeah. And then the hard, just a tad bit smaller. Okay. You can go right here.
Do you like the size for the honey, or did you want?
I shrink it just a little bit. I don't want it to be too small, but just a little bit more. Because I'm really not worried about like anything, honestly, but where is Jaquilla at?
A little smaller.
Okay. I think this one is gonna be perfect. Yes, it is. They got cats. There's some cats over there. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, awesome. Did anyone quote you for that?
The person I texted on Instagram told me 25 for the heart. I'm not sure, but how much will everything be?
Just 25 each, so it'll be 50 total.
Okay, that's perfect.
Perfect. Give me just a few minutes to set up and then I'll
Y'all, I'm finna get a tattoo on my face. Can you believe that? I was kind of scared, yes. About like 13 tattoos. My worst tattoo, I will say, I feel like was on my spine.
Spine? I don't know. Was it like words?
Mm-hmm. It goes from the top to the bottom. I'll show you. Okay, you guys, so we downtown right now. We finna go to a Juneteenth event, and it's a pride parade today. I did my makeup before I left the house. Y'all see Mz Dail.
Mz Dail. This is Dail.
Yes, we look cute today. So we finna go to this food truck festival, and then it's like a pride event. So we got a few things to do downtown.
Okay.
Look at that truck. That getting up. Yeah. I think it's this way. Yeah, it is this way.
Oh my God, I want to take some pictures in front of these.
Right now, finna see what can we just do.
You said he was 5 minutes walking. Stop right here, dog.
Okay, y'all, so we still walking. We finna to come up on the food trucks. Y'all, I don't know how I feel. I don't know how to feel. It's too many people. It's too much. K11 ABC News. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna find me some turkey legs.
Y'all call something, boy.
I'm out here with Shaw. I'm a 90s baby. I don't know haters, man. When I do that, soldier boy, I can cry that. Whoa.
I love them now.
I think the old
Hey, Mom, what's going on? What you getting today?
Little girl, what up?
What am I
What
here?
up, little girl?
My cousin
You got that
did.
merch on. Y'all check out his merch, man. Back, that's black on. He got a vendor out there, too, so if y'all go holler at him. Watch out for my HBCU. Hold on, man. Hold on.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finna go to this turkey barbecue truck, and I heard it's over here. I am gonna try the barbecue, and I hope that it's good.
I'm rocking up.
Drums and flats, they from Charlotte. A slushy. Oh, hi! This is my classmate. Oh, what the hell?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah! You look so literally just in a TikTok. Okay, down. In a TikTok of you, and I was like, her hair looks good as fuck. How you been?
Hot? Oh my God, look behind you.
Oh, he is pretty. Oh my God.
He need to take it.
He is so. Yeah, why everybody say I Kanye girl? That is, we is black. Kane
It is Kanye. It's how it's supposed to be pronounced.
It was a pleasure to see you.
Yeah.
You gotta hit me up. You in the area?
I
She was just up here not too long ago. Where did Keenan and them go?
It's so many people. This is the first place I stopped, and I'm probably about to go right home.
Girl, yes, no, I'm so for real. Okay, yes, I'm gonna hit you up. I promise.
Call me.
When I'm off, we can go grab dinner or something. You know the vibe.
Yeah. But enjoy your day.
I'm gonna try to. I keep losing everybody. Okay, where y'all go? Y'all went back to the Torn Torch place? Okay. So y'all, I had to come out of my glasses because my makeup is messing up. Like, real bad. So, this is what I got. I got a barbecue plate with no slaw. I mean, you know I'm not a slaw person.
I know we just got here, but
Okay, that barbecue sauce is good. Special stop to the store. I need to get me a cup of ice because it is hot. I need to run away. So y'all, this is what I wore today. Something simple, something cute. That makes the pink. Wait, should I get a lemonade or should I get a tea? Ooh, they lemonade selection look good. I could get a clip, so. Nah, I'ma just get a green tea. I'ma get a green tea.